Hello friends, welcome back to MCTM. Before we dive in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment and share. A popular British boxer, Anthony Joshua, was involved in a fatal car crash, alongside his two friends, who died during the crash. The EFCC force and Ogun state government says it was likely to happen due to the driver speeding. The international news has said he's in the Duchess Hospital, London, while the Nigerian news says he's in a hospital in Ikoyi, Lagos, Nigeria. Thanks for watching, see you next year.